of our favorite Indian beauty products.
They're not all Indian. They're a mix of international brands with Indians, but they're our absolute favorite beauty products.
Basically, these are all products available in India really easily.
I'm wearing all of the products that we are reviewing today. She's wearing some of them, and rest of them I think you can see as we go along with the video.
But these are products we use in our daily lives. These are products we've tried and we've tested, and we highly recommend. So let's get into it.
Highly recommended. So let's start. I'm going to start with this Clinique foundation. It's Clinique Stay Matte Oil-Free Makeup, and it's shade number 21 Cream Caramel. I'll do a swatch of this.
We're a big fan of Clinique, guys. Clinique is really good if you have problematic skin. So they figure out what your skin tone is and recommend products accordingly.
So this is what it looks like on my skin. I do have to blend it in, but it's like butter. And if you have oily combination skin, this is the perfect foundation for you. It's dermatologically tested, it's fragrance free, and it lasts for about 8 hours.
It's not animal tested, guys. So
yeah.
You like the puppies.
And it's a bit pricey, but it's about 2,400, but it lasts me about 8 hours, and I wear it every day, and for 4 months this entire tube will last you. So please go get this or try it out. It's really good.
Since we are in the general area of foundations and concealers, I am going to show you my favorite these days, and this is the Maybelline Clear Glow Oil Free Stick, and this is a BB stick, and it has SPF 21, and it's like I use it as a spot treatment, and you can use it as a BB stick.
It's really interesting. I've never seen a BB stick foundation.
It's really good. So if you get pimples or you have marks or blemishes, just put it on there and it blends really quickly, and they have it in a bunch of shades. This is a really good match for my skin, and I'm really happy with it. And if you don't want to wear too much makeup, and it's really light and it's really blendable, so for light makeup, if you're going to school or college, it's really good.
Natural on Misha's skin, so that's a really good.
Yeah, it's an everyday product, and it's 250 rupees, available everywhere from Maybelline.
So my next product is this eyeliner by Lakme. It's the most basic Lakme products. I've been using this since I was a child. This is only for about 100 rupees. People use expensive eyeliners, but I stick to this. I like my eyeliner to be very well defined, and this has the skinniest brush I have ever seen. It's amazing. It gives you the right kind of definition. I can make it thin in the front, thick at the back. It's really good. But please, you need to have a really steady hand.
Yeah,
when you use
it's like, it's
one
a disaster
of
for
these
me.
eyeliners. Please have a steady hand. So that's the Lakme Instaliner.
Okay, so this is a Revlon Color Stay eyeliner, and it's a sketch pen eyeliner for someone who doesn't have a steady hand. I really do not have a steady hand. It's really worn out, so you can't see what it says.
Yeah, this is Misha applying her eyeliner.
I don't have a steady hand.
She's flickering the entire time.
This, I mean, I'm almost gone through it. I need to buy this, really. And it's, okay, it's not even swatching properly because
the swatch doesn't do anything.
But when the product is in there, it's really black, and it's smooth, and it comes on really easily, and it's really easy to fix if you make a mistake like me. I make a lot of mistakes. For people who aren't really good at this stuff, people who are clumsy and klutzy, this is perfect. I mean, lazy girls get this.
My next product is my favorite blush. It's this blush by Chanel. This is what the color looks like.
Guys, that's really expensive, by the way. It's like a savings bond right there.
It's expensive, but this is a beautiful rose gold. And for Indian skin, this is perfect. It's good for the night. It's good for the morning. It's called 71 Malice, and this costs about 2,400. But one of these lasts an entire year.
People invest in diamonds, you can invest in this.
No, or the smart thing would be next birthday you can get me this. This is how you hint it to people that please get me this. But it's a really good product, please try it.
Moving on, I'm moving to something that is not skin related. I'm moving to lips. So this is Calabar's Jumbo Sticks. Now these are lip pencil sticks, so you can use them as a lip pencil if you want, or you can use it as a lipstick, which I do. They're really pigmented, really smooth, come on really easily, and they're amazing. They're long stay. I'll swatch this for you, and this is called Tango Pink.
The consistency of this lipstick is amazing.
It stays on beautiful. All day. It is amazing.
I've never used Calabar before, but ever since I tried this yesterday, oh my god, I'm gonna totally go and try this tomorrow.
And so this is called the Expressive Peach. This is the other color I just tried, the Expressive Peach, and it's available in a bunch of colors. It's $6.99, available at all Calabar stores. It's really good. It's long stay. You can use this as a pencil or a lipstick. I highly recommend this. It stays.
now that we're in the line of lip products, this is Lakme 9 to 5 range. The lipstick is called Scarlet Drill. I'll do a swatch for it. I'm actually wearing it right now.
They have it in about 20 colors and it's available at Lifestyle. I saw them at Lifestyle.
It's a beautiful pink brown shade and it lasts really, really long. I wear it all day long. But obviously after a few hours I feel hungry, and
it's a meal to meal lipstick, guys.
Yeah. So it stays even after the meal, but I like my consistency to be really thick,
and it's cheap. It's really cheap.
Only 450 rupees. So
and it's available everywhere.
It's go get it wherever you can find it.
Okay, my next product is kind of expensive and it's my Chanel, I'd say. So this is the Clinique Anti-Blemish Solution. So if you're someone who's ever had pimples, likelihood of having pimples or have random spots sometimes, this is really good because it's a spot treatment for pimples. It clears them up the next day, dries them. It's kind of expensive. It's 3,600,
but it's amazing.
So it's called an oily combination skin, and that's what I have, and this is what they recommended for me, and it really works. 3,600 is kind of worth it if you get pimples and you have the same problems I do.
So my next product is this mascara. It's the Colossal
I have this
mascara.
too.
So we both have this product.
So it's really recommended then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the Colossal Volume Express mascara by Maybelline.
Is that waterproof?
Yeah, it's waterproof.
How?
So I don't know, weird. It's the same product but they're both different colors.
If you know why this is different, write in comment
below. Yeah.
I want to
so
know.
This is what the wand looks like. It doesn't clump up your eyelash. It gives you the right consistency. Maybelline claims that this gives you 9x volume, but I'm not really sure how much.
But it gives you natural looking eyes.
Very
You're wearing it right now.
Yeah, and it gives you the right amount of length, volume, and the separation between.
This is my wand. I've had mine for a while, about 6 months I think, and it's still there. It doesn't clump up, and there's still a lot of product here, and I use it semi-regularly. So, good stuff.
So the next product. You should go next.
Okay. Yeah. My next product is what I like to call magic. This is a little bit of a cheat because this is not exactly an Indian product. I bought this from Primark in London, but this is available in India everywhere, and it's a nail pod. For someone who does a lot of nail stuff and likes to change their nails often, this is really convenient because you put your finger in there and you twist and it's clean.
If you guys want us to do a DIY tutorial on how to make a pod on your own, please comment below.
Nail pods are really good. So they have it at Calabar and Bonjour in India, I know that, and they're about $1,000 to. They're about 850 to 1,000.
But we'll do a DIY for you, just so it can be more affordable.
This was really cheap. This was £1, but this is really good stuff.
One warning: just don't ever put this. Use this on your foot.
And it says don't use it on your foot. Despite the warning that he did that.
Who reads the warning before trying out a product?
Smart people read warnings.
Okay, so my next product is this bronzer. This bronzer comes with a highlighter as well. It's by Victoria's Secret. I know this is not an Indian product, but you're going to get it. Misha says you can find it.
It's at duty free, so yeah. It's not cheating. It's available at duty free.
It's available at duty free. It's about 600 rupees, and it's amazing. This, along with the Chanel blush, is like heavenly cheeks. It gives you the right amount of glow on your cheeks, and I don't know if you can see it clearly, but
for darker skin tones, it's so hard to find stuff.
Yeah, it's really hard. I have a very hard time finding the right shades for darker skin tones, which are okay to be worn in the morning, and then I can shift it in the night. And this together is amazing. This is the shade in the shade Goodness. So please try these. It's really
I've used this too, so it works for a contour for me.
Yeah, she's actually wearing it right now.
I'm wearing it right now as a contour. It's really good and it works for all skin colors. So even if you're not darker, this is a good product to have. My last product is actually 2 nail products. I mean, it's the same nail product. And again, guess what? It's by Calabar.
You're wearing it right now.
I'm wearing mine too. I mean, on the other nails. Calabar, I'm kind of a big fan these days. It's $195, and these are the quick finish varnishes. They come on really easily. One coat is enough, and they dry. Like unlike other quick finishes, they dry really quickly. And this is the color Movisa, and this is Blue Your Day, and I really love them. They come in a range of colors, and they're really easily available. So those are all our favorite products.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, Facebook.
And if you want us to do any specific kind of tutorials, DIYs, or anything in general, or ask us questions, please leave comments below and we will get back to you as soon as
All the descriptions of the products is in the comment box. If you want to know, if you want to ask us something, comment.
See you. Bye.